close your eyes and make a wish. Okay. And now, Ate Wesley, ready? Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow! Wow! Ay, papalit natin si Ate Wesley.
Yay!
Ate Wesley. Okay. And now naman, okay, let us hear from Mommy and Daddy about their birthday wish for our birthday celebrant. Because right now, Mommy and Daddy. Alright, Mommy. May speech na si Mommy. Okay, Mommy, come here. Okay. Alright, let's give a round of applause for Mommy and Elsie. How about Lolo Alex? Lolo ko mo si Alex. We would like to thank you for celebrating the 7th birthday. We usually celebrate the birthday for the Wesley. I wish po naman kayo Wesley with good health, good health. And that's kagaya ni Mommy. Wow. Alright, sa lahat po ng guests natin, thank you so much po. And God bless po. Okay, God bless po. Para sa loot bag. Alright, happy birthday. Alright, next. Hi, Kuya. What do you say? Alright, thank you. Alright, next, Ate. Wow, ay nag-exam natin. Right, next year. Wow.
Top 2.
Thank you. Right, next. Mga karaoke.
Play tayo mamaya sa house. Ganun-ganun natin. Okay? Oh, wag tatapon ha. Ano pa naman?
Right, next year.
Ano pa naman?
Wow, alright. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, next. Ay, Kuya. Uwi na po kami. Ay, siya.
Patingin? Patingin? Wow! Chocolate!
Thank you.
Toy!
Oh, di ko na.